of your age. Age. So you want to introduce yourself and you're talking about your age. You say anja higni. Anja higni. Anja. Oh, and there it goes. It works. Nang Abo has liked the stream. Thank you. Thank you for liking the stream. Now I can see that it works. So you want to talk about your age. You say anja higni. The G has to sound, okay? So you say higni. Anja higni. Then you write then you say your age. So age goes here. Anja higni. Higni. Can you say? Let's say that together. Anja higni. Yes, good job. Good job. You're doing a good job. Anja higni. So if you're 12 years old, you'll say anja higni apar ariyo. So then now you can go to our numbers video and talk about the numbers. Okay? Then you can talk about your marital status.